right. Okay. Customer moved the house. Previous owner never left the combination. So let's open it right now. I called Gardall safe with the serial number. The code they give me, it's not correct. Probably the previous owner changed it. So let's go work on it now. All right. Okay, the safe is open. I'm gonna let the lady to open the safe. Hello, miss. Yeah. Okay, the safe is open. Harder, yeah.
Oh, wow.
All right.
All right.
There's nothing in there?
No, of course not.
Okay. As you see, there's nothing in there.